can see passengers already here, early, waiting to board. Go to gate. It says go to gate, so we shall wait. Here you go. Sky priority. Yay! Ho Chi Minh, Saigon. This is Incheon Airport, so Samsung sponsors QLED 8K TV just to watch the news. Right here, Incheon Airport, Concourse. Vietnam Airlines Sky Team. Whoa, look at them loading.
Equipment. Cargo. This plane will bring us to Saigon, Ho Chi Minh. It is a Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Welcome from Seoul. Ciao, ciao.
Baggage allowance. Look carefully. Boarding has begun. Boarding has begun. Oh, one to board.
Woo! Vietnam Airlines. Let's go. Woohoo! Very cool, very cool. Only one gate open today. Lots of stuff, you know. Meetup place. Yeah, meetup place. It's a meetup place. Shop until go crazy. That's how it works, people. That's how it works.
Into the business cabin. Oh, cabin. Woo, 405. We are here, seat 5K on a Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Take your time, plenty of time. Woo, 7710. Yes, awesome. Hotel. Welcome drink upon a Vietnam Airlines. Cheers! Cheers, Vietnam Airlines. Change into slippers, shoes here, and Vietnam news. Okay, let's check out the seat. The screen here is stowed away. When you press the button, it pulls up. But now we're gonna take off, so we're gonna push it back. Oh. In front of you, whoop, you got a pillow and a blanket. Nicely says Vietnam Airlines. Over here, these headphones. Here I had to power for USB. Seat controls here. This small thing, not sure what to do with it. It's very small. And a light, a reading lamp. This is a lie flat bed, so this is a 5.5 hour flight to Ho Chi Minh from Seoul. So I think there should be enough time to catch a snooze. Oh, here are the magazines and stuff. Oh, here's the power outlet. Yeah, universal. And of course, tray table. You can expand it and you can also open it. Okay, let's take a look. And over here you can press this and it kind of like creates an armrest. Yep, push it back down because it's takeoff time. And this one, what does it do? Oh, store stuff maybe. Yep. Let's go Vietnam Airlines. And this is what the amenity kit looks like, a bag, which is very useful, you know. You can store stuff here, even on a day-to-day. A toothbrush set, lip balm, just got body lotion, earplugs, nice comb. I think those are socks, eye masks, stickers, very funny. Yep. Very cool, very cool. Vietnam Airlines. Thank you for watching. And Seoul pushback. Ciao, ciao. The lunch menu is coming up soon. Yay, yay, yay. Yay, 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 yay.
I would like to welcome you on board our aircraft Boeing 787-9. The number is VM409. Departing of Incheon Korea to Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Now we continue the boarding passenger. After the fleet, we get boots by startup and taxi aircraft through the runway 116 for the departing. Our flight time from Incheon to Ho Chi Minh City. Today estimate about 45 minutes. The weather and food aspect is good, but maybe sometimes we have light turbulent to medium turbulent. So passenger must be follow the signal sign and cabin crew instruction. The landing time and weather attention, we will come back with you before we start descent. Thank you for the flying with Vietnam Airlines and have a good flight.
Số ghế ngồi 52D, Trần Văn Giang. Số ghế ngồi 52E. Vui lòng liên hệ với nhân viên bảo vệ ở cửa phía trước. Xin cảm ơn.
But for the main part, we see them first. Bibimbap. We will serve you Korean style.
Do you have a glass of wine, red wine?
We have two types of red wine. see our shuttles in space.
Yeah, sure.
The vintage in 2016.
Okay, thank you.
Which price?
Sorry.
Okay. Good. Orange and it's kiwi. Thank you. Thank you. Ice cream, please.
Yeah, ice cream.
Thank you.
Enjoy, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, this captain's uniform by Dayton. I would like to give you some information about the landing time and weather at the Incheon International Airport, Ho Chi Minh City. Now we start descent to land. Landing time at Incheon is 20 past 1 p.m. The weather is pretty good. We have temperature around 22 degrees Celsius. Thank you for the flight with Vietnam Airlines, and I have a nice day in Ho Chi Minh City. I will continue with this.
Oh, water. Thank you.
cửa hạ cánh xuống sân bay quốc tế Tân Sơn Nhất, thành phố Hồ Chí Minh. Bây giờ là 1 giờ 30 phút chiều. Nhiệt độ bên ngoài là 32 độ C. Quý khách vui lòng vẫn ngồi yên tại chỗ và cài chặt dây an toàn cho đến khi máy bay dừng lại hẳn và đèn hiệu cài dây an toàn đã tắt. Hơn nữa, quý khách lưu ý không sử dụng điện thoại di động. máy thu phát sóng tránh khi quý khách rời khỏi máy bay. Quý khách không được mở cửa máy bay khi không yêu cầu của tiếp viên. Khi mà ngăn hành lý, quý khách lưu ý tránh làm rơi và bỏ quên các hành lý bên trong. Cơ trưởng Trần Trung Tu, tiếp viên trưởng Thu Hằng và Phi Đoàn chân thành cảm ơn quý khách đã bay cùng hãng không quốc gia Việt Nam, thành viên Liên minh hàng không Saigon. Chúng tôi hy vọng sẽ được đón tiếp quý khách trên chuyến bay tới. Xin cảm ơn và hẹn gặp lại. Ladies and gentlemen, we have now arrived at Incheon Airport, Ho Chi Minh City. It is now 1:30 p.m. local time. The outside temperature is 32 degrees Celsius. Please remain service well fastened until the aircraft has come to complete stop and the fasten super sign has been turned off. Once you are ready by the service, please do so.